Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shisa's Crochet. In this tutorial we are going to see how to crochet this simple flower. It is very easy. A beginner, even the beginner can do this crochet. So let's see how to crochet this flower. For this I have taken here the 3 mm hook, a scissor and 2 colors of yarn. You can choose any colors of your choice. So let's start doing this. So let's start this project with a magic circle. There are many ways to do a magic circle. So which one I prefer is I'll show you. Just keep the tail of the yarn and front side and the back side, the walking yarn. Then again wrap the yarn over these fingers and insert the hook under the first yarn and grab the second one. Just twist it one time, then again yarn over and pull through the yarn into the first chain. So we got a chain here. This is how I prefer to do a magic circle. And this, like, if you pull this tail or the short yarn, it will come like one more chain. Actually we need 2 chains, and inside this circle I'll be doing 10 half double crochets. Yarn over, insert inside this circle, yarn over, and then pull through 3 loops. 1, yarn over into the circle, again yarn over and pull through 3 loop. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. As we have already here 3 chains, 2 chains, that means we have 10 half double crochets inside this loop. We will count the 2 chains as a as one double crochet, half double crochet. So let me pull this yarn so it will get closer. Now I'm just going to slip stitch into the first stitch of this row. So 1, 2. Here I'll be doing a slip stitch. When you do a slip stitch, you have to go through 2 loops inside. So okay, so round 1 is ready. Now we just want to move to the second one. Before that, let me trim this yarn as it is longer. Now let's change the color. Do a slip knot. Insert the hook, then pull through this chain and then tighten it. After that, just pull this one, the walking yarn. When you pull the walking yarn, it will get more tight. Then we can snip off this yarn. Now we are going to do chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the next stitch we are going to do triple crochet. Triple crochet in a different way. Normally when we do the triple crochet, I'll show you how to do in this project. This is the second chain. So insert the hook inside, grab the yarn, and then instead of leaving the first loop, we are going to leave 2 loops. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2. In same space we are going to do 5 times the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4 and 5. We did inside the same space 5 stitches. Now chain 3 into the very next space or the chain. We are going to do a single crochet. And then chain 3 and the same stitch itself, chain 3. After that yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into the next chain, very next chain, and do 1, 2, 3. Like it is 5 stitches into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 3 and then into the next stitch we are going to do a single crochet. Then chain 3, again into the next stitch we are going to do 5 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep the finger in tight tension. 1, 2, 3. Into the next stitch a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 3, into the next stitch a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and this is our last petal. So and this is our last chain also. Here we are going to do a slip stitch. Instead of doing the single crochet, we are just going to do we did a slip stitch and then chain 1, snip off the yarn, just make a knot over here. So we got together, all together we got 5 petals in this round. Now let us tie this yarn together. and then we will weave this yarn inside the petals to make it invisible. Yeah, for that I'm just using the 2 mm hook, which will make me. So friends, now our flag crochet is ready. It's very simple and easy. So we can use this project or the flower to decorate our house, or we can even attach this flowers and kids projects like a scarf, sweaters, or socks. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.